Hi, this is a case of a white cataract which I would like to use to further demonstrate the tips and the nitty-gritty bits of how to do a good horizontal chop. So this video is running in slow motion, and if you first notice here, I have the tip protruding out about 1.5 to 2 millimeters. This is important to get a good chop. So the first step is to impale the phaco tip. I aim to the center of the nucleus and I impale the phaco tip deep. So make sure you're not impaling horizontally, you're going oblique to get into the very center and to the depth of the lens. The second step, as you can see here in slow motion, is you skim with the chopper on the surface of the lens going out. This is important to ensure that you are under the anti-capsule and not above, as one of the first issues that can happen when you're learning chopping is you chop the anti-capsule. You can even move the lens slightly to make sure you have a good grasp on the nucleus. This is the third step now. You move the chopper in and also down to meet the very tip of the phaco tip. This will ensure that the compression movements happen and they are not going to be skimming on the surface of the nucleus. So you have to really maintain this deep purchase on the nucleus and compress it again as the phaco tip, and that's how you get a good chop. Now let's see this in real action. This clip is unedited, so here the impale, the phaco chop happens by skimming on the surface going out and then compress going in and crack. And here again, so few annoying air bubbles. Now the impale going outside, compress as you chop in, separate. You have this quadrant now separated. So I always try to move the quadrants with a chopper to always work from the edge, and that makes things flow easier. We have a remaining half of the nucleus here. We rotate, we tilt it outside, protrude part of it, chop it off, and then the rest becomes easy. The green arrow points out to lots of leakage happening from the side port. That stops when you take the second instrument out, which I like to do at the end. Thank you so much for watching.